Yeah, this is about how cold it is. So it's below 0 centigrade. So that in Fahrenheit, it's cold. Well, Merry Christmas, everyone. It's the day after Christmas. It's December 26th, 2018. It's 20 degrees out. I'm here in my little shed, and I'm back to working on the 59 Li, trying to, get it back, finish the maintenance on it, and then put the new additions on it that I wanted to. It's 20 degrees out, so it's a little chilly. That's why I don't know if you can see over right, those really bright lights. Those are halogen lights, and those suckers get warm. So that's how I have heat in this little shed, which it adds it doesn't really bring up the heat, but for cold hands it works great. So and obviously it adds light, so it's good. So I'm going to my next couple things I'm going to do here. I'm going to take the hood off so I can, because I'm eventually going to put a battery box on it. So I'm going to switch this hood out for, I have a 54 L, I think Li or L, that I had, that I got actually gear reduction wheels with, that I put on my other one, but it did have a battery box, and it had one of the battery covers, the big square covers. So I'm going to switch that one out, switch this one for that one out once I get the battery box on and gets up and running. So that's our plan for today. I like this hood. It's original to this tractor. It's got the original sticker on it. The sticker's a little, as you can see, it's a little worn. It's definitely worn, but it's original. You can read the DKTractors on it. So I like it. It's just part of the character of the tractor. But let's get back to it. All right, so got a few of the bolts off. I'm going to take the gear reduction wheel off, or gear reduction, whatever, the gear reduction wheel, or gearing, whatever you want to call it. So I took out the bolts. They're all square head. I'll replace them with grade 8 at some point. Hex, but it's tight fitting here, so I have to take my gloves off. This square head bolt is a little mangled, so it's a little trouble getting this wrench over it. Oh, this cast iron is ice cold. Oh. All right, there we go. There we go. Give you a closer look. I got the gear reduction wheel off. Next thing to do is I gotta take this larger gear off, take the nut off, and take these seals off, because then the axle extension will attach to that. The one thing I gotta figure out, well, maybe not. I don't know if there's supposed to be a gasket between the axle extension and this original axle. I gotta go look at some literature for that. But it's got a decent amount of grease in there. I'll probably pack in some more just to make sure it's properly coated, but it doesn't look too dirty, so to speak, with stuff that's not supposed to be in there. But it's been working fine, and it's low RPM, so I'll just what I'll do is I'll just pack it a little more full of grease, and should be fine. Love these impact wrenches. Gotta figure out if there's anything. Oh, it's keyed. All right, let me go get. Let me see. Go get some gear puller real quick. All right, got the gear puller on. It's always a pain in the butt putting them on when there's not much space to grip. So hopefully this just pops. But it doesn't look like it's gonna. Tap it with a hammer and see what we get. Booyah! That worked. All right, get back to the dirty gloves. All right, got the seal off. A little damage to the shims, but I have enough of them. Seal looks in good shape. Might use it again. You can see that there. Just needs to be a little cleaned up, but seems in decent shape. So I'm gonna just pull out the axle now. Everything looks as it should. Looks like it's in good shape. So I'm going to hold on to this axle for another tractor. So the plan is now, what I want to do is I'm going to clean this up. I want to take this this off and then check the sump for any metal debris or anything in the tractor. I won't repeat it for the other side. I'll just take this side off, but then I'll clean this up and then figure out how to, if I'm going to put gasket or not in between this and then the axle extension. So let's get some rags and stuff and keep going. Man, these tools are freezing. Oh. Someday I'll get me a heated barn or a garage or something. Hey, ooh, hey. Well, worn out. Actually, it looks really good. Doesn't look like there's much at all in there. quick peek. So that's the inside, and that actually looks decent. I've had some other ones that have had a lot of debris in there, so pretty happy with that. I'll probably just take a rag and wipe that a little bit out and be good to go. Alright, got the first one off now. I'll go ahead and take the second one off. Just to, it'll be good to lighten the load on it, and then what I'll do is once I'm done doing all the gear reduction stuff and get it prepped to start putting stuff back on, I'm gonna go through it, make sure the oil lines are clean and tight. I'll put the starter back on, and then I'll put the extensions on and go that way. So let's get to it. Alright, got the gear reduction wheel off. Looks about as dirty as the other one, so try to get this gear off. No problem. What a pain in the ass. You suck. Screw it back on. There we go. Alright. Wash it off. Bang it off. No, ain't moving. Ain't moving. Time to get the gear puller off. Same things before. Alright. Alright, got the second gear tight. It's not coming off, so I'm going to hopefully do a quick tap and hopefully it comes off just as easy as the other one. Nope. Let me get a bigger hammer, bigger tap. Bigger hammer. No need to scum up my warm gloves. So I make these. Alright. Oh. Keep that over there. Keep that clean. Alright. Thanks. That's all I'll do for this video. So Well, like I said, what I'll do is I'll take out this axle, clean it up, maybe clean out the sump on this side, and then put this axle back on, and then be fine with the axles for now. And then maybe in the next video I'll start taking apart these brackets here and taking the pulley off, and then trying to put the electric start on it. So until next time, hope you enjoyed the video. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year if I don't see you before then.